Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to walk you through how you can easily log in and access your Delmar Mortgage account online. Logging in and managing your Delmar Mortgage account is a straightforward process, so let's get started right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in delmarmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site. Now once you get to the official website for Delmar Mortgage, you can now go to the top right hand corner and click on My Account. If you want to apply for a mortgage, you can click on Apply Now at the top right and follow through the instructions. Once you get to this My Account tab on the next page, wait for it to load. Now you will end up in the login interface for Delmar Mortgage. Type in your username in the username tab and enter your password on the next field. If you don't have an account yet for Delmar Mortgage, you can click on the Create Account button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your username and password, click on Login, which will then take you in to Delmar Mortgage account, from where you can manage your mortgage account whenever and wherever you are. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.